Hello guys, welcome back to Week Mix Media. If you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Enjoy today's update.
Hello lovely people, bless you for coming. Another update on our board here. So today I'm taking you straight to Peller and Tiwa Savage Camp. If you are new here, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell as we're going to be leaving your like, your comment below in the comment section. Yeah, so you remember Tiwa Savage live with Peller, Jarvis and Joe Black. So all of them made a wish and Peller requested that Tiwa Savage take him along in a private jet, and finally Tiwa Savage has fulfilled the promise. And I just want to take you through, but before we do that, let's go watch the live where Peller made this request.
Can I request for a one? Something?
Yes. What is it?
Anxiety will say, don't be shy, talk. Don't worry. You will do it for me. Yes, you do it. Talk to her. I'm sorry.
Don't be shy.
Come on, talk to her. I want when you call. I'm sorry. Come on, you do it. Oh, yeah. Okay. When you call back, I want you to take me to private jet. Could that be?
Is that the request?
Yeah,
That is the request.
That's small now.
Huh? Ma?
Yeah, Karen, now that's small.
I'm a private jet. Oh no!
I got you.
I'm going to private jet.
I got you. I'll take you when I get back. I
I
got
swear
you.
to the mom, if you do that for me, I swear. Don't worry. Well, I don't get the plan for you, so that's the only plan. I want to private jet.
This month, I got you. We're doing it this month.
Oh no!
That be the TikTok live Peller made that wish, and finally the wish has come true. Let's watch how Tiwa Savage and Peller were chilling inside private jet.
Yes, I have and it shall be given. Private jets. Where in the sky.
Are you cold?
I'm cold.
Oh, really?
I swear to God. Don't be bothering me this year. Okay, then I'll put the window down. Oh my God. Hey, come be like say I deaf. Is it only me?
Yeah.
It's only me. That I be like say I deaf. The cold that better my ear, no ear.
It's only you.
Japan is the definition of black is beautiful. Hey! I swear to God, I just look at you, you are fine, you are beautiful. Oh my God. Thank you. What's this? What's the IP? Oh my God. You resemble your mommy. It's a prison family.
Thank you very much for staying true to this end. So that be Peller for you. Charlie man is living his dream what I here, and I'm happy for him. Right now, I'm just waiting to see Jarvis and Joe Black. They're my wish with Tiwa Savage. Can't wait to see that. Thank you very much for staying true to this end. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. My name is Andy.